Isaiah, are you backing up the Christmas tree needles?
Yeah.
Isaiah, do you like vacuuming?
Yes.
Why do you like vacuuming?
Because it's like, because it's getting food.
Because it's what?
Getting food.
Because it's getting things?
Are things going up and inside? Oh, you're gonna make it bigger for yourself?
Yeah. So, at my foot will get violent. Is that a snow globe?
Yeah, it's snowing. It's a white Christmas, but it's not a snow globe. It's actually outside.
Is that a snow globe?
Oh, yeah, that one is a snow globe.
But then it's supposed to have snow and shake it, and snow go everywhere.
That's right. What's your favorite part about this vacuum cleaner?
I like it because it can go far.